Welcome to GeoByte. Dear students, we naturally want to seek a higher position. We want to be respected by everyone wherever we go. We only try for victory, not for defeat. We want to look unique in everyone and don't prefer to stay in common. This is where the real problem lies. It all feels good when all this comes effortlessly. How good it is to win without getting hit hard, but it does not happen. I saw an ad on TV. In the meantime, mother makes gulab jamun for his son. When the father arrives, he took out one and asks, "What's special today?" His mother says that our son came second in the running race. Father appreciates him and asks that how many participated in the race. The boy runs away saying 2. Such opportunities do not come every time. The competition in the present times is with many outside. Many people are getting merit marks in education, but why are youth struggling today? Are becoming dissatisfied? This is what we need to understand right here. Only studying well is not enough. Something else is needed for success. What is that? Dhirubhai Ambani, who only studied 10th class, how would he establish such a great business kingdom? Should he have something special? Does it belong to him alone? Infosys Narayana Murthy, Abdul Kalam, All India's #1 ranker in civils, Mutyala Raju, and coming to foreign countries, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Obama, etc. Those who first started their lives in general, but today we see them as an extraordinary personalities. Becoming like this is not just for them, but for us as well. What should we do? Have to change. Must change. Not only to follow winners, need to acquire their good qualities and put them into practice. Read good books. The biographies of the winners should be read. Talk to them if possible. First, we need to look at our current situation and from there itself start your journey towards success. First, set small goals and strive to achieve them, no matter what the outcome may be. This should be continued. Yes, this is an initiation. Etiquette, adherence to speech, and avoiding addiction of bad habits should be done for a few days. Any habit comes gradually. Anything don't come at a time. Good habits also come in the same manner. Why to that extent? Doctors suggest medication according to the course of any physical problem and don't say to use all medicines at a time. Similarly here, we see many initiations, not political initiation. We know the Ayyappa, Jesus and Bhavani initiations. There are many more. If the mandala means 40 days of initiation or 21 days of initiation, the rules of initiation will gradually change us. We gradually understand ourselves, change our habits, and get rid of bad qualities. Change is possible within moments if there is willpower. Go, change yourself day by day. Assessing the situation from time to time. Go watch yourself every day. Question yourself in between. Did I change or not? Traveling in the destiny direction with a personal development or not. It is important to note that those who regularly examine themselves have corrected their shortcomings. Always do practice. Nothing is impossible, said a poet. But most of the people think that they get away everything without practicing. But that is not possible. There is no satisfaction in what comes easily. Anything is possible only by practice. Let's go with it. A teacher divided students into 2 groups who want to make certain things practical for them. Some have been taught karate or dance for 2 hours a day for a month. Others were shown 2 hours a day for a month on TV. They were tested a month later. Who might have learned that perfectly? Those who saw or those who did? The answer is that it is only acquired by those who practiced it. So there is no other way but to practice. The teacher will teach us, we listen, but can't learn if we stop there. Listen to the teacher and practice it repeatedly. Not only about studies. Anything is possible with practice. Why late? You get succeed with serious practice in your chosen field. You have that power. Don't get intoxicated. Why weakening the tremendous energy potential of young people and making the brain useless and also making useless for society, family and ultimately for himself? Few bad qualities of students. Gutka and pan parags are chewed and being spitted wherever they want. Smoking, drinking alcohol, listening to songs in public places like buses, putting loudspeakers. Comparing with others in terms of rich and poor. With such behavior, there is no gain except loss. Man energy capabilities are amazing. Man is prudent. A man who exercises his prudence and discretion wins. But most people have a mistaken opinion. They think that people who has money, fame and living in towns only achieves everything and shows pity for themselves that they have nothing to do. Many have proved that it is not true. An example of this can be shown. There are many people who are born in villages where there is no comfort in poverty and are being hailed as great people today. It doesn't matter where we are born and how much property we have. We must uncover the skills and improve them with practice and achieve success. And also should not behave like palm seed. Some students try to look up to their peers, boasting about their property and their families. That is wrong. Why? Listen to this story. A banyan seed came to the palm seed by flying due to small wind flow. Seeing that, palm seed laughed and said, "What? For this wind flow you came here by flying? To germinate only?" The banyan seed laughed and was quiet. It rained after a few days. Both sprouted within a short distance. A few more years passed. The banyan seed is gradually growing and expanding, becoming a great banyan tree. Seeing that, palm trees proud, suppressed. Unable to provide the shade for two, seeing the banyan tree providing the shelter for too many people and not moving a little off, big tufan made the palm tree shame, asked to forgive. Build your energy. There is power in you. Elsewhere that also extends as similar to banyan tree. Just need to figure it out and extract it. Never underestimate anyone. We all know the caterpillar. Not only that, everyone hates by seeing it. The hair present on its body makes people scary. The child and the old hates it. In the same way, if we see butterfly, we feel happy. Seeing its colors and flying, we feel joyful. Children chase, grab and play, but do not catch and play with caterpillar. Then from where did the butterfly come? Isn't it from the caterpillar? Now listen to the caterpillar's story. One day, the caterpillar was so sad. It was sitting under a tree and thinking, "What mistake did I do? Everyone hates me. They do not come close to me, ruthlessly stamping with foot. What are most hated traits among me? What should I do to be appreciated by all?" While it was thinking, it saw a sage far away doing penance. The caterpillar went to the sage for the solution. The sage opened his eyes and saw the caterpillar. The caterpillar wished the sage. Sage looked at the sad caterpillar and asked, "Why are you sad?" Then the caterpillar told its problem and asked for the solution. The sage did not speak for a minute. Then he said, "Identifying the problem is the halfway to solution. The rest is worth trying." It asked, "How is it possible?" Sage said, "Most of the people are reluctant to acknowledge the problem. They behave as if the fault is others. But you wanted to change yourself. To think so is halfway to success. All you have to do is change yourself to the level of attracting everyone, not just the good ones that you have, but developing them into your daily routine, developing good habits and establishing them. Change do not come only by thinking. Setting this as a goal should be achieved in as many days as possible. There is nothing more than that can be done if you put in the effort and perseverance." Sage blessed it with the victory. The caterpillar understood the solution. It went away from there by wishing the sage. and searched for a lonely place. I have to change, must change. It decided to change and make everybody attractive by seeing it. Built a nest, went into it. At first, it left its hair by which everyone scares. Has practiced more. It has passed through many stages. Finally, a beautiful butterfly came out. It saw around by spreading its wings. It looked at itself, flew away from there, leaning on a beautiful flower. The children who were there saw it and were very happy. Tried to catch it happily, playing with them and acquired nectar from the flowers, and thought that, yes, I have succeeded, God succeeded. Those who once hated me are coming to me. Those who don't want to touch me are trying to catch me. And it flew away happily. We are all just now being criticized by everyone trying to get to the top with whatever habits or hazards we have. We must travel within ourselves. As the caterpillar built its nest, have to self-realize. As it left its scary hair, we also must observe ourselves and have to leave the defects, bad habits one by one. Similarly, leaving our bad habits and adopting good habits and a good way of life. As the good qualities grow in us, our way of thinking changes. Our superior thinking system attracts everyone like butterflies. Many victories can be achieved, can live happily forever and ever. You can also change like that. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.